Good morning, guys, and welcome to Editorial Says. Here we are going to discuss the GK current affairs with some tricks for the date 25th June 2020. Now, before starting this video, here are some of the important points which you must understand. First, read the question carefully. Read the question carefully to understand the question. Second, follow the steps of the trick with understanding. Like when I tell you the trick, just listen to the trick carefully and develop a proper understanding about it. Third, watch the video with full concentration. Then you will be able to grasp the things very quickly. And fourth, at last I always give 4 5 questions. Then you can test yourself and after the video and try to answer all the questions. GK point 1 with trick. First question, Moody's estimates to how much India's GDP decline in the financial year 2020. We have to tell the rate of GDP growth. Now here the trick is, see, at the end of the year means that financial year 2020, at the end of the year we have 31st December 2020. After 31st December we have 1st January. So the rate of decline here is 3.1%. Like this with this you can understand or you can remember the Moody's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2020. GK point 2 with trick. In which state of Pakistan will the first Hindu temple be built? Now see here. Here the trick is, see, here in the question it is asked, it is first Hindu temple. Now Hindu is a religion, and also in Pakistan the religion, like the majority of the people, they follow Islam. Now see, which city of Pakistan is from the term Islam? Islamabad. So answer is Islamabad. Islamabad is actually the capital also of Pakistan. Therefore, which state of Pakistan will the first Hindu temple be built is Islamabad. GK point 3 with trick. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched Yukti 2.0 platform. What is the full form of Yukti 2.0? First, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is our HRD minister, like Union HRD minister. And now how to learn the full form. Now see, Yukti full form if you see. Now first, India has a young population. As all of you know, the a majority of the population comprises of the youth. Now see, this a particular sentence is there. Youth have great knowledge about technology and innovation. See, we youth, we have more knowledge than the older generation. We have more knowledge about the technology and about the innovation. Now if you see in news also, many of the young people, many of the students, they are making new item, new inventions for the benefit of our country. Now with this sentence you can learn. See, the full form is Young India combating COVID-19 with knowledge, technology and innovation. Young India, because the youth, they combat COVID-19 with their knowledge, with their technological ability and with their innovation. Therefore this is easy to learn. GK point 4 plus trick. Which country launched final satellite of the Beidou navigation satellite? Like it's a satellite mission, like many satellites would be launched under this Beidou navigation satellite. Now see, here the trick is, see, in the informal language we tell a friend, like we call a friend as Bidu. Bidu. Now here we say Bidu in informal language is called friend. But see, some of the countries, they are not our friends, like of friends of India. Like you can say example Pakistan and China. But now who has the capability of launching so many satellites together? Pakistan or China? China. Therefore answer is China. Therefore which country launched the final satellite of the Beidou navigation satellite is China. which country will join the Arms Trade Treaty? Now you have to name the country here. Now what is the trick? Now the trick is India is facing aggression from China by using arms and ammunition. Like you know about the situation which is going on. Now see, China is putting aggression of India. Therefore they should, like they have the need to join the arms trade treaty. Therefore the answer is China. Simple. GK point 6 with trick. Purnima Janan. Purnima Janan passed away, but she is related to which sport? Now see here, look at the surname of this famous personality, Purnima Janan. Now see, here Jan word is used. Jan means life. Now a person's life can be taken by shooting someone. Like if we shoot someone with a gun, then he can lose his life. Therefore also we know that shooting is a sport. Therefore Purnima Janin is related to shooting. Next, GK point 7 plus trick. Which country became, actually it should be became, the first country in Europe to successfully conduct its national elections at amid COVID-19 epidemic? Here the answer is Serbia. Now how we will learn this? Using a trick. Now see, a sentence is given here. कोरोना वायरस सर पर है फिर भी इलेक्शन किया. मीन्स दैट सर्बिया ने कोरोना वायरस लाइक उनके सर पे था, मतलब देयर वाज कोरोना वायरस लाइक सिचुएशन, कोरोना वायरस प्रॉब्लम, एपिडेमिक, फिर भी उन्होंने इलेक्शन किया. सर बी या, तो आंसर इज सर्बिया. विद दिस सेंटेंस एक्चुअली यू कैन रिमेंबर द city, like actually you can remember the country. Therefore which country became the first country in Europe to successfully conduct its national elections amid COVID-19 epidemic is Serbia. GK point 8 plus trick. Which company launched Coronel kit for only rupees 545? Only rupees 545. Now here the trick is, see, all of us know which Indian brand produces the cheapest goods in variety fields. Like it has toothpaste, shampoo, Maggi, and medicines. So many things that we know. And answer is Patanjali. Therefore, Patanjali is the company which launched Coronel kit for only rupees 545. GK point 9 with trick. Indian government reduced staff strength of which high commissioner, like which high commission, it should be high commission, sorry, by 50%. Now the answer is C. Here the trick is the country which is your country, this is the word country. Country is India's enemy, like India's enemy in terms of it has very less good relations. Therefore answer is Pakistan. Now see, in this case, see what Indian government they did. Indian government reduced the staff of the Pakistan High Commission, which is in New Delhi, by 50%, and also like willingly reduce uh, the staff strength of the Indian High Commission, which is in Islamabad, which is in Pakistan. Because why they reduced in Pakistan also? Because the people of the Indian High Commissioner who are working in Pakistan, they were like very badly treated in Pakistan. That is why they reduced the staff strength by 50%. Now GK point 10 with trick. Dash Bank partnered with 4 insurers. 4 insurers means that 4 insurance companies. Now here what the trick is, you have to know the name of the bank. You know the name of the bank. Therefore for partnership you need cooperation. For partnership you need cooperation. For partnership you need cooperation. UCO. UCO. Therefore the bank name is UCO Bank. Therefore for this question, the UCO Bank partnered with 4 insurers or insurance companies. Now here are the 4 questions which are based on this video only. Like see, First question, Moody's estimated to how much India's GDP growth rate will be declined by financial year 2020. Remember the December wala, 31st December wala trick. You will get the answer of this. Which company launched Coronel kit for only rupees 545? Which Indian company produces cheapest goods in our country? You can come to know. Purnima Janan passed away. She is related to which sports? See the surname and try to figure out using the trick. And fourth, which country launched the final satellite of Beirut navigation satellite? Remember the Beirut trick. I hope you will get the answer all the 4 questions. Now thank you for watching the video of Editorial Says, where we believe in empowering readers. Please do like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to get such more informative notifications from us. Thank you and see you soon. Jai Hind.